Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today's video is going to be continuing to the part 3 for the drafting 2D part, which I will explain today about the title board, how we can adjust this section in a title board, and then I will just more going with the interior part, which is going to be part 4. For now, I'm going to go directly to the a title, which is showing here a project map, and then here a view map, and then here layout book, which is here we're gonna be working at this section. So when you draft in this area will be around like the plan, and you will see the ground, first floor, second floor, like that. But at this stage we are doing the ground floor, and if you want to just give it proposal for the project for your client, or you want to work on your project, you can just show in the ground floor, and then you will go to the layout book, which I was saying title book, which is here the master. And if I click one of them, for example A4, this is how it's gonna be look like. I was just drafting and modifying my name in here, but I can show you. Just you click here, you change the company name. I can say here design building, and then here the project name. If you want to name the project, for example, I can say single house. Okay, and then I will just click OK. This master place, this is the where you can edit your layout, the title block, which is the layout of every single descriptions. And then where you're gonna see there is here elevation, that is, or if you go here you will see a ground floor that is automatically that is set up with ArchiCad. But I will show you why and how. For example, it's already showing me here, and then in this one, but it shows that everything is same, which means that we cannot work at this section, which we need to work at the master layouts. So if I go to A2, okay, I have inserted this picture, and I want to say the company contact, which is the building design. I will just say building design, and that's how it's gonna be. And then the project name, it depends, like the project will be a single house, and then and here automatic will be changed as per the floor, ground floor, the first floor, and second floor. And you can just type the status if you want to do it, or modify it by you can write your full name, but I prefer to write HF, and then checked by HF, or if you have a manager will be checking on that. And then if I want to just type here the year, for the year and the date, I'll just click on 5th of 2024, or I will just say April, and that's it. And then the day that he checked my work, for example today, like this, and May 2024. I'm just gonna click on that, and then here the skill we worked on is 1 in 100. How you find that out is just I will go here, for example, you will see the skill is 1 in 100, so it's not changed anything. Here is the zoom in and out, and the skill is being set up already over here. So let's go back, and then here is a layout revision. You can remove this one, and you can put the project number, and then the revision we can say here A1, and then I will just delete. That's it. Okay, and then that is how it is. Or you want to say, for example, A2 layout of the project of this one, and then I can say revision, just not to confuse, A. Okay, if I go here back to the ground floor, it will show everything has been modified. Okay, what if I don't want this layout to be in A2? I just want it to be in A3. So I'm gonna go here a tree by substate, and I will change it to by master. And then I have here a ground floor. So what I can do is I can remove this one, I drop it up to the A3, and then it will show me how it's look like right now. And then I will just change it over all the way here and adjust the drawing. My layout, like it's gonna look like this. or if I don't want to like the revisions or the settle, so I can just increase it overall. Okay, and then I will just move it, and you can increase it more and over more, and when you print it you have the revision of everyone. That's how you can adjust it. If, for example, if I don't want this one to be here, you just still return it back to this section, and then it will be returned back like before as it was here. So the main thing is you are aware of how you set it up and where and how you can do it, and also you can just set it up your sheets over here if you want, but I would recommend still you're gonna go back to this one and you work towards your sheet documents. So here I can work on my sheet documents and I will just adjust it over here. You can type what you like to type, and then you're gonna be working towards it. But when it is red, that means you have to set up your platform over here. So here, if you come here, we have it over here. You need to set it up. But anything up that board, like up this title board, you can adjust it through different part which is about this one. So make sure that you have the set it up layouts. For example, like now for me, everything set it up here, but I haven't adjusted everything. I can just remove it, everything, and then I have it for story. So this is story, might change it to, I will just rename it, just saying story, so I can just make it roof, and then I'll click OK. Yes, so this is how you change it. You click on here. I change it at the first part here, and then you have to click on this one. For example, you have 2 layers. You can how it is. Just if you want to create a new top, you can create a new top. But if for each roof, you can make it in different sections and you can add it. What I can do is like just is roughly to explain for you the layout document and showing you how it's look like at the ground floor. My vision, like for example, we just finished the setup of this section, and like I want to just give it a heads up to the, for example, I want to just leave it to the ground floor. If I say it like this, I will just bring my drawing, I put it here, and then I will try to adjust it the size inside, and then I will just gonna set it up, print, merge it to the PDF. I have everything set it up, the quality is fine, and I will just say print. I will just save it here over here, and I will just say okay, save the PDF. This is how it's look like. You have it on PDF, it is adjustable, and it's look like this, and you can just adjust this part, other things like a single house, you can remove the details and everything. And yeah, this is how it's look like at the end. And if you have any questions about anything regarding the PDF, you can just comment below or send me through the email. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and share, and thank you for watching.